I published a video every day in the month of May. Wow. Almost every day. I missed May 18th, which was the day of my first ever exhibition opening. Producing videos had wiped me out and I needed to take a break before the opening, so I allowed myself a break. I also missed 3 days this past weekend. On Saturday, I shot my cousin's wedding, so I spent Friday prepping for that, which meant no video on Saturday. Saturday, I was shooting, so no video Sunday, and then Sunday, my body was recovering from the effects of the wedding and aging. So I spent most of the day in a hot bath, hopped up on ibuprofen, which meant no video on Monday. So with the exception of those 4 days, I put a video out every single day. And when I didn't get a video out, I made sure I scheduled some shorts to go out on this channel, on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels, and on TikTok. That's 27 videos in 1 month. I only had one shoot scheduled in May, and I was waiting to get into my new studio, so I decided to turn the YouTube production dial up to 11. I'd set a realistic goal for myself of increasing my subscribers on this channel by 10%. That felt attainable to me. I also set a stretch goal of 3,000 subscribers. However, since the number of subscribers I have is completely out of my control, I focused on publishing consistently and with quality. My 2 most popular videos were about the new features in the latest releases of both Capture One Pro and the Photoshop Beta, the generative AI tool in the latest release of the Photoshop Beta. Those videos also brought in the highest number of subscribers to the channel directly from the watch page. So we expect to see more videos like that in the future. I think they're helpful and I think they're useful to other people. Along with the regular videos on the channel, I also started cutting up older videos and new videos and posting them as shorts here on the YouTube channel, as Reels on Instagram and Facebook, and as videos on TikTok. Creating and editing and posting a video a day has been a pretty great experience so far. I wake up feeling pretty motivated every day, even if I have no idea what I'm going to do for a video for the next day or too frequently that day. Kind of like this video was meant to go out today, but I'm actually gonna not put a video out today and focus on making this a better video for tomorrow so I can catch up and make a slightly better video. Speaking of this video, if you're liking it so far, click the like button and consider subscribing. If you're not liking it, leave a comment and let me know why. I do read all the comments and I try not to cry when you say mean things to me. Another benefit I've found is that I've gotten to know my camera much better, and I'm constantly learning new ways to improve my editing workflow, like creating timeline templates, having a music archive ready to go, and creating reusable channel graphics like this one you're seeing right now. I'm also getting to experiment a lot more and figure out what's working and not working, such as the sound issues that I've had with a few on-location videos. I'm currently recording this video with a DJI mic so that I can see if it makes a difference in the sound, as opposed to the shotgun mic that I have up here. I'm going to work on that. I have a massive list of ideas that I want to produce, but a lot of them are complex ideas for videos that require a bunch of research, a bunch of filming, and a lot of editing. This process has forced me to think about what ideas I can execute and publish quickly. And now that I have the studio, I'll be able to produce a lot more of my shorter ideas that require demonstrating techniques in a practical manner. I'm starting to get used to filming myself regularly, and I care less and less about my appearance on camera. That's not to say that I want to look like a slob, but it's more like I don't really care about how many chins might be showing at any given time or the state of my hair. I just throw a hat on. If having messy hair in a shot means the difference between getting the shot or not getting the shot, I'm gonna choose to get the shot with messy hair over not getting the shot at all. I'm really embracing the old adage that perfect is the enemy of done. Now, let's talk about some of the drawbacks. While posting a video a day definitely helped in some ways, it has really hurt me in other ways. One thing I should have anticipated but failed to is storage. I'm producing dozens of gigabytes of footage every day. I've spent days consolidating my external drives to create room to move footage that I shot just at the beginning of this past month. By the time I'm done, I'm going to need many more terabytes of storage space. It now makes sense to me why many YouTubers have server racks in their studios. It's a lot of data, and I don't think even my cloud backup to Backblaze can upload the data as fast as I'm creating it. A bigger issue for me, though, is I find myself sitting at a desk a lot more than I would like to. It's not good for my body. It's not good for my back. It's not good for my diet. I've been neglecting myself and my health for the sake of this channel. I need to change that, and I need to make some adjustments moving forward so that I don't continue to neglect my health. I have a little hanging garden growing outside on my fire escape that I take a break and attend to every once in a while throughout the day, but I need to get out more on walks and I need to move more. So expect to see more videos of me out and about in the wild because I need to be able to do two things at once. That's why I'm testing this mic out so that I can get out from behind this desk and start getting out into the world. I'm writing this script on the day I was hoping to get this video out, but I slept longer today than I expected to, which I needed, and I would rather put out a good video than a hyper rushed video that's not really helpful to anyone. One of the other reasons I didn't get a video out this past weekend was because I was tending to my TikTok account. Last Wednesday morning, I had 44 followers on the Studio Builder TikTok account and only about 10 videos. It currently sits at 63,500 followers. I took a clip from the video that I did last week on Photoshop's generative fill AI-based tool, and that clip went viral. I was really excited when it hit 13,000, and I uploaded another clip. By the next morning, I had 20,000 followers and more than 1 million views, and it just continues to grow. The TikTok account now has more than 10 million views on just the 4 videos about that feature, and hundreds of thousands of views on the other videos that I posted there, because people looked at the profile, they looked at the account, and they just started watching all the other videos. It's the same thing that happens here when I get a new subscriber on YouTube. That's why subscribers are so important to the channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing. It's possible that you're watching this video because you saw those videos on TikTok. The exact same clips on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts have received 1,000 of the number of views. So if you're trying to grow an audience, it's clear to me that TikTok is an absolute necessity. So let's take a look at some of the numbers. Over the entire lifespan of this channel, up until April 30th, the day before I started posting daily, I had 2,329 subscribers. In May alone, I gained 604 subscribers. That's an increase of 26% for a total of 2,933 subscribers as of midnight. It's not the 3,000 I had hoped for, but it's significantly better than the 10% that I expected. Previously, I had earned a total of $78.20 from this channel since I got monetized last November. I haven't been uploading constantly and regularly, but you know, that's changed. Last month alone, I earned $72.10. Though it will likely be more than that since those numbers tend to be delayed and updated 24 to 48 hours later. This channel went from 84,412 views to more than 110,000 views, and from 5,790 watch hours to 6,900 watch hours. That's an increase of 26,273 views and 1,100 plus watch hours. In order to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm already monetized, but what that means for people who aren't is that posting a video every day with an existing library only netted me 1,100 watch hours. If I hadn't had a video go viral back in October, I would still not have reached the threshold, and honestly, I would probably be discouraged now and probably stop making videos. After all the work I've done this month, I can't imagine what it's like for someone who doesn't have the opportunity to post with the same frequency as I do. Since YouTube is making money off of the ads shown on every single video, whether a channel is monetized or not, I'm now solidly of the opinion that the monetization thresholds are way too high. For someone starting out on YouTube, I could see how a revenue of $72 would inspire them to continue, as opposed to grinding away every day for 4 months to meet the threshold before you even start getting paid for all of your hard work. Was it worth it? For me, I would say yes. I don't know if I've talked about this in the previous video, but my plan is to try to publish a video every day for 3 months. May was just month 1. So you can expect a lot of content from me coming up. I also plan to continue posting clips from my videos to TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. I'll also be responding to comments on those platforms in the video formats that are exclusive to those platforms. So I'd love it if you join me on those accounts as well. Subscribe to me there. Find me on TikTok. Moving forward, I plan to post monthly recaps of the YouTube channel, as I'm now fully embracing the idea that I'm not just a photographer, but I'm also a YouTuber. The channel will continue to focus primarily on photography here, but For financial reasons, I will keep posting about the money I'm making here in the process of running a YouTube channel. Since photography and content creation go hand in hand, hopefully I can provide you with insights to make your whole business run smoother, better, and faster. Until next time, take care.